what your kind of method is for making sure you have some sort of session that's all in order. Are you taking things kind of scene by scene? Are you taking things shot by shot? I mean, obviously things will depend, like vary on what needs to be recorded, but I'm assuming that you record more than you actually need.
The sound supervisor, before they even show up or even schedule the ADR, has gone through the whole show, and they've made their wish list of all the lines that they feel should be re-recorded, so that the show has a polished, professional sounding mix. And once they do that, they'll schedule the actors to come in, and so we'll do it by actor rather than by scene. So, let's say, for example, today I was recording CSI Las Vegas, and on that show, one of the principals is Ted Danson, and so they will take all of Ted Danson's lines that he needs to ADR, and they'll schedule him and say, okay, Ted, you come in at 10 o'clock, and he'll come in at 10 o'clock, and maybe he has 10 or 15 lines that he has to fix, for example. So he's going to come in, and we're only going to concentrate on his lines, and then he gets to leave. Next actor will come in, maybe that actor has 5 lines. We'll fix his 5 lines, that person will leave, and that will be our day. And typically they schedule ADR for the same day that they're actually doing filming. So they're filming next week's episode, but when they're released from the set, they come over to my stage and we do the ADR for the stuff they did last week. So it's kind of like that way they can fit it all into one day work day, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
So they'll come in and they'll fix all their lines. So it's kind of piecemeal. We'll jump all over the episode and then do the same thing with it. Maybe some actors only have 1 or 2 lines,